Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use this Temu. First of all, you go on Google. Let me go all the way back. Let's go all the way back. So you go on Google and type in Temu
Have you ever heard of Temu? Ha ha, just kidding. Of course you have.
affiliate affiliate program. Okay, once you go on Temu, you click on the first one just to join. So I'm gonna be doing this. We're doing this thing together. um like I always say on all my videos, I'm still a student, so I'm still learning with you guys. We are all learning this thing together, so you're gonna see a lot of promo, so you just have to click that stuff off. So if you're just looking for ways to make money, this is the step that I would take. Once you come in, then you sign up or join. Okay, millions of people are actually selling on. You can actually sell on here as well too, but that's not where we're looking for. Okay, so basically you then go to, let's scroll down, and then you get started. Okay, once you join, let me see if they will allow me to use this new email. Let's see, enter your email. Oh, I usually use my Gmail to go in. You can put any email that you like. Maybe I think I've already signed up. Then you sign up either with your Gmail, or you can sign up with a new account. It's really up to you. Once you sign up, I believe you get $2 immediately. Let me see. I think I already have my own point. $10. Once you sign up, you'll get $10 immediately on your account. Some people do get $8. It just depends on the promo they're having. Okay, but and you can withdraw this with, let me see. You can do, I think the minimum they said is to withdraw is, I believe, $20 when you want to withdraw, and you can withdraw with PayPal. Okay, and yeah, let me click off here. And then how to start earning. There's so many ways, there's so many things to do with this team, or so many things. You can become an influencer, whereby you are promoting this Temu as well, or you can join the affiliates marketing part of it. Okay, or you can actually sell if you have products. Maybe my other video, I can show you guys how to also do that part. Okay, that's another separate video altogether, but this is just the basic. If you just want to start making money immediately, this is something you will come in and do. Okay, so you come in, and then let me see. So you guys, let's take it slowly by slowly, gradually. So you can see other people that are also, making money. It's right there. A lot of people also making money. People joining right here. You can see, people are joining and people are making money as well too. Okay. So basically you're promoting their link. You can promote this link with either with let's say YouTube, of course, is a big platform to actually use to promote them, just like I'm doing right now. You can make a video talking about this company, and then like, let me see, you can scroll all the way down, and this is the place that you get your link. Once you sign up, you come down here, your referral, all your referral links. To get it, here is the place you go to get your links, so that you can be able to share it to the people that you are promoting to. Okay, and another thing you can also do is you can actually start up a TikTok account, and then let me show you guys how to find like hot products. But anyways, before that, let's just go all the way down. Let me see. So you get, and there's so many things you can get, like free gifts on here too. Okay, maybe you can give that to your people you're trying to send these links to. I believe even if you're in Africa, you can still do this business as well too. Okay, so let's scroll all the way down. All right, this is where I was saying that hot items, like things that are also selling, you can actually look at things that are actually selling that you want to promote. But while you are doing that, I will tell people the first thing you need to find, what is your niche? What type of business do you want to you know, who do you want to sell to? Okay, you, if you're into fashion, you can come in here and grab your fashion. There's clothing right here. They will even tell you the commission, how much you'll be getting. Let's say if you promote this thing, somebody buy through your link, this is how much you will get, $10 or 25 cents. Okay, so this is where you come in to pick. You can type in anything you're looking for, maybe school bag, school bags. Let's see, you can go to school bags, and then you see there's so many, and they will tell you the commission to use this. There's ways to also promote this. You can actually use AI to promote this. That is another video I will do, how I can show you guys how to use AI to promote, to start creating content, because I know some people struggle with coming up with content. Okay, so you can use AI. You create this. Maybe my next video I can actually show you guys how I will do it if I'm doing this Temu. Okay, if I'm trying to promote it, apart from you just making a video like I'm doing right now, you can also promote, let's say if your niche is maybe backpack, school backpack, but you can always look at how to promote this. Is you can go to Google, right, and go to Google Trend. That's how you find out. Let's see, Google Trend, maybe backpack is trending right now, I don't know. Google Trend search, let's see. All right, you can go to Google Trend. I'm just giving you guys, let's say school backpack, let's school bags, maybe this is the period, and look at maybe the period those things are selling. Okay, and then you can start promoting. Let's say maybe let's see, let's go. So right now, the time that school backpack usually, people start buying school backpack is around, let's say around April. Okay, April you usually start going up. Let me go to, let's see. Let's see. This is past. Let's do 12 months. Let's just give it a holistic idea. Okay, just to, it's around that kind May. So let's say around the same April. Okay, people start looking for backpack. Back to school time. And people going back to school is around June. So if you're looking to start promoting backpack right now, the best time to actually start is start sourcing them. Putting down your website, start creating content. I will start like around June. Back to school period. A lot of students are trying to, parents are buying backpacks and things like that. So starting from June, that's when you can start, selling backpacks. If you're trying to go into that niche. Okay. So that's just one I want to show you guys. Google Trend. You guys look for to Google Trend. I don't know if you heard about Google Trend before. And let's go back to, let me see. Sorry, let's go back to, where is my? Where is my stuff? Hold on, guys. I know I don't know where I am again. Okay. Let's go back to Google. So this thing I'm doing right now is how I usually do my business while I'm looking for stuff. I'm just showing you guys is how I go through stuff as well too. Okay, so this is just a raw content that we are doing. No flip-flops, no cutting, no joining. Even if I would just cut maybe a few things, but anyways, let's just go back to this place. Okay, they're giving away $300 credit authorized to earn 300 credit, $300 credit. I think it's for people that are influencing, if I'm not correct, but I'll still look into that as well. But let's go back. I was just showing you guys how to look at hot products. Hot things to sell. Okay, using Google Trends. So you come back here again, hot items. Okay, And then like pick, like I said before, pick your niche. I don't know what you're looking to sell. If it's backpack, I already show you guys how to do the Google trend to find out, time, if the time period to sell those items. Okay. And like I said, my next video, if you want me to do a next video how to use AI to promote it, comment below, show AI. Then I will know that a lot of people want to know how to do the AI, using AI to promote your product. I can actually show that, but I just wanted to show you guys this is where you come to look for things that are currently on hot demands. Okay, depending on your depending on your niche. Again, you come back here and type in whatever it is that you're looking for, especially based on the niche that you picked. Okay, I just wanted to show that. Then this is where you come to invite, where you come in to send your invite. Okay, invite athletes. So this is what they have, up to 55 per limited athletes. Okay, so right now I'm on $13 already. I'm up. I don't know how I got up, but I'm up already. So so like I said, you do this, the way you earn is by you sharing your link. This is one way to do, is you sharing your link, and when people sign up through you, you'll be up again $55. So it keep going up. To invite, once they join through you, 55. So it keep going up, as you can see right here, and up to $55. Invite a new athlete, over 1,000 followers in your TikTok. If you have up to, I believe you have up to 1,000 followers in your TikTok, YouTube, or what is it called, Instagram. It goes, you keep earning like that. And $5. Invite a new athlete who has earned a commission in our affiliate program. Okay, so these are so many ways to also earn as well. Okay, so let's keep going. I will still want to show you guys how to, I already show you guys how to withdraw already. So you basically come here and click on withdraw, and that would be it. And if you don't even want to withdraw too, that's another thing somebody was asking me. If you don't want to withdraw, you can also use the money to buy something here. I believe when you check out, this money here, you can use it to check out as a balance if you don't want to withdraw. Okay, so let's see, secondary commission. These are other ways. Secondary commission on your invited athletes earning for 60 days. So it's just so many, these people are just giving out so many ways, incentives for new people to just come in and grab. Okay, so let's go to influencer. If you want to become their influencer, I believe this influencer goes by, let's say, how many people that you already have. It's based on, let me see, and if you allow me to click on there. No, hold on, I'll unlock. So okay, so you can either use your TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, but it's based on how many people. I forgot where the requirements are. I believe by how many people you have, how your followers, that's how much they will send you. You earn up to $300 depending on how many followers you have. Okay, I believe if you have up to, I don't know if they start from 5,000. I will come back to I'll come back here and look, just to make sure. I don't want to give the wrong information. Okay, I don't want to say, oh, if you have up to 1,000 followers. No, then when you go there, like, oh joy, I didn't see I have up to 1,000. How come I don't have my $300? So there's a requirement for this. Okay, there's actually a requirement for this. Let me do authorize. Let me do something. Let me use my, okay, let's we're doing it together right now. I'm actually showing you guys, and I'm actually joining them. This is the first time I'm actually joining. Okay, so, and then once you join, social media is under review, so you'll be under review. So you guys see I'm doing this live. I actually joined them. So this thing is, I'm new to Timo, but I started earning newly as an athlete or also as an influencer. So I'm actually showing you guys things that I'm learning, while I'm doing it as well too. Okay, so I'm not like a pro. Okay, so that's why I said anything that I know, I will come here and teach you guys so that we can all and together. So once they are done with their review, okay, because my YouTube is also new, I believe they will now tell me if I'm qualified to join their influencer, or I will just stick to my promotion where I'm just promoting to other people. So let's cross our fingers. And these are, I believe, these are more things that you can also promote. You can also join to promote if you like. If you're into warehouse or into spring campaign, I think they have the campaign that is also going on as well too. And there's so many things to do on this platform, and I don't think it's only for people in United States. I believe even people in Nigeria do have Timo as well, or Africa countries as well. You can also do a research, maybe if you go on Google and type in which country Timo is currently allowing people to use it. All right, so this is something I just wanted to share with you guys. And there's another thing I wanted to say. I already said I'm going to let you guys know how you can use AI. There's a company that you can, well, while I'm doing that, I want to be showing it while I'm doing it, not just talking about it, but be about it. Just like I was able to sign up with influencer, you guys saw how I did it. But this is where you get all your links, okay? What else I forgot to tell you guys? I don't know if you have any more questions or if you're still lost, because we are all doing this together, like I said. So if you have any more questions, please do not forget to just post it on my comments so I can read it, maybe make another video, and then I can show you guys more stuff we can actually do with Simo. But AI video, I will definitely show you guys how I will do AI video if doing Temu as well. Okay, so yeah, think about other things. I will come back and tell you guys. But if you have any question, please drop it on the comments, and please subscribe. Let's go together. This is my day 2 on YouTube. So like I told you guys, I'm doing a 30 days challenge on YouTube. Okay, because I notice sometimes we tend to we start doing something and then we stop it. So I'm giving myself 30 days to see how I will progress on YouTube. I also show you guys, my earnings and things like that. So guys, if you like to join the Timo, you can use my affiliates link as well that I will be posting under the comment section. Okay, so let me know if you have any more questions. All right, talk to you guys. I love each and every one of you. Let's win together. All we do is win. All right, see you guys later. Bye.